Hello friends, J Todd out here in front of the Paris, and here's what's happening this week in gambling. Hello friends, and welcome to This Week in Gambling, where football season has finally kicked off. 36 states are regulating sports betting, and nearly 47 million Americans are expected to bet on NFL games this year. So, what could possibly go wrong? Well, anyone who watched an NFL game over the weekend, or a pregame show, or a post-game show, or a halftime report, they probably saw 1 or 2 or 20 commercials for sports betting. And while I think it's just super cool that gambling has finally gone mainstream in America, this could lead to a problem. I've been working in the gambling industry for over 20 years, and I've watched all the changes take place here in America and over in the United Kingdom and all across Europe. And I'm telling you, my friends, that history is about to repeat itself right here, right now, in the good old USA. You see, sports betting in the United Kingdom has a long history. Gambling advertisers over there have been pushing the limits for years now, advertising everywhere from television and radio to billboards, even the sides of taxi cabs, with celebrity endorsements and sponsorships inside of stadiums, even paying to have their brand name put on the front of professional sports teams' jerseys. Any of this sounding familiar? There were gambling ads everywhere people looked, on websites, in their social media feed, even coming in on their cell phone via text messages. Eventually, people got sick and tired of it, and eventually, all that advertising gave gambling opponents all the ammunition they needed to go after the industry. Those opponents started saying that gambling companies were greedy, that they didn't really care about their customers at all, that they were breeding addiction and even targeting children. So now all the laws are changing, and not just for sports betting either. Called the Gambling Act Review, it fundamentally will change the entire gambling industry in the UK, ushering in new rules that some of you may find hard to believe. It prohibits gambling companies from using celebrities or sports stars for endorsements. It prevents gambling companies from showing any ad that might appeal to anyone under the age of 18. It restricts them from showing ads that make gambling look fun or show people winning money. It stops casinos from running promotions on games like The Pink Panther or The Simpsons because they are cartoons and may appeal to children. It bans the use of credit cards and puts limits on deposits and individual bets. It even regulates how quickly people can play a game in the privacy of their own home. And it actually requires operators to investigate their customers' finances to find out if they can even afford to play. All of this is happening in a country that has been regulating sports betting for nearly 100 years and regulating online sports betting for nearly 20 years. And now, right on time, here comes American sports betting, just following the British bookmakers right down that same path. Opponents of our industry in this country have already started labeling what's happening here as the Gamblification of American sports. And that's not good. But as sports betting continues to grow, you can best bet that the advertising is only going to get more and more competitive. But despite all of this, you and I both know that FanDuel, DraftKings, and the like will continue to pour millions and millions of dollars into advertising, all in an effort to grab up as much market share as possible until the pushback eventually comes. And when it does, you just remember, I tried to warn them.
This week's exclusive offer is for Heavy Chips. Right now, you can take advantage of Casino City player specials for the Heavy Chips Casino and other sites. Simply follow the link in this video's description to visit online.casinocity.com for the details.
This week, we have 2 new game reviews to share with you. Both of them are from Revolver Gaming. First up, we have the Neon Blaze online slot, a 5-reel 30-pay line game with a 5-tier progressive jackpot. It has a retro theme with classic bars and bells, plus modern features such as scatters and wilds. Next up, it's Dragon Spins, a low volatility game with 5 reels and 25 pay lines. It has a bonus round, bonus spins, and multipliers, plus it can go with you on your mobile device. Both of these reviews and hundreds more are live right now on our YouTube channel.
Las Vegas, Nevada tonight. It's Friday night. A little overcast, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. We got a low pressure coming in. Low pressure's coming in. We're gonna have a little bit of rain, little thunderstorms here and there. But I'm from California, and we had that, and it's coming this way. It's all good. Don't worry about it, folks. Here in Las Vegas, it's gonna be good weather from tomorrow on all the way out.
Thank you, sir. I think the forecast is for mostly beers through the rest of the night.
Yes, sir. Yeah, it is beers. It is beers, sir.
Cheeseburger, 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 cheeseburger.